Hi, I'm Alex. I study English.
Hi, I'm Amy. I study modern languages and we both live in Matthews building. So let's go check it out. Matthews is right in the middle of college, so you really get like the hustle and bustle of everything, which I find really nice.
We've got 4 floors and each floor has a kitchenette and a microwave, so you can really do all your living. And it's right above the kitchen in the JCR as well.
On my floor, floor 3, we have the laundry facilities as well, which is really nice to have it really close to you as well.
Welcome to my room. Let's go check it out. You're either going to be living in a hall of 16 people that shares 4 facilities between them, or you're going to be living in the annex. And 2 floors have annexes, and it's just tucked away, so it's just a nice little secluded community like I've got with only 6 people. The great thing about Matthews is that we've got these nice big window seats in front of these really big windows, so we get loads of natural light. And it's of course good to like cozy up in winter, but now that I'm getting lots of sun hours on my plants, I've sort of moved them in there and they seem to be really loving it.
My favourite thing about my room is my ivy, because I love the fresh and natural vibe that it gives.
Thank you for coming around Matthews with us.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll see you soon.